How a seed grows. A seed is a little plant. It is a plant that has not started to grow. Apple trees and daisies, carrots and corn, clovers and wheat all grows from seeds. Here is a tree seed. Someday it will be a tree like this. Here is a flower seed. Someday it will be a flower like this. Some seeds grow slowly. These are the seeds of an oak tree. An oak tree grows very, very slowly. Suppose you plant an oak tree seed. You will be a father or a mother or even a grandfather or a grandmother, and the oak tree will be still growing. Some seeds grow fast. It is a bean seed. It grows very fast. It grows so fast it became bean plant in just a few weeks. You can plant the seed yourself. We use the pole beans. You can use the pole beans, bush beans, or lima beans. You can put the seeds in the eggshells or tin cans or old cups or a little flower pot. Be sure that your container has a hole in the bottom. We use the eggshell. We use a pencil to make a hole in the eggshell. We filled the 12 eggshells with soil like this. We made a hole in the soil like a finger like this. When you made a hole in the soil, plant a bean inside it. Plant one seed in each hole. Cover the seed with soil. Sprinkle the soil carefully with water. Number the shells. Write the number 1 on the first shell. Put the number 2 on the next shell. Keep going until the shell are number 1 to 12. Put the eggshells in the egg carton. Put the carton in the sunlight by the windowsill. Some of the beans grow faster than the others. Our seeds began to grow in 3 days. Your beans seeds may be a little longer. You won't be able to see your seed growing yet. The hardest thing until you sow it, you can't see them. Water your seeds every day. The water soaks into seed. The seeds begin to grow. More water soaks the seeds. The seeds got fatter and fatter. Wait for days and dig up the seed number 1. It may be soft, but it may be fat. Maybe it will look the same as it did before. The seed will grow so fat that the skin will pop off. In 2 more days, dig up the seed number 2. Maybe it will look different now. Maybe the skin of seed may be loose. Now the roots started to grow. The root grows from one side of the bean seed. The root pushed down in the soil come down. They just dig up the seed number 3. Can you see the root? Does it look like this? If you did not see a root, wait for another day, then dig up seed number 4. After a few more days, dig up number 5. Something else is happening. Little roots will be growing in big roots. They look like tiny white hairs. They are called root hairs. Some of the roots hair pushed out of the soil. Then every day they are pushed up the soil or pushed aside. And the shoot grows toward the sun. How many is it growing? Count them. The bean began to grow fast. The shoot turns green. The leaves come next. Now the bean spreads and bean plants. They look like this. How many of your bean seeds have plants? The seed may be not to grow, and in the soil, and the water, and sun. If the seed had all those things, it will grow a plant. It will grow in the same kinds of plant from an apple tree or a daisy or a carrot or a cone. You will grow the clover or grow the bean plant on the ones you planted. The end.